Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Citi American Airlines AAdvantage credit cards. If you are a frequent flyer with American Airlines or you're looking to rack up travel rewards faster, then today's review is for you. I'll walk you through each card, highlight their key features, break down their costs, and help you figure out if one of these cards fits your wallets and, of course, your travel goals. Let's start with a detailed overview of the four most popular Citi American Airlines AAdvantage credit cards that are available right now. Number 1. Citi AAdvantage Platinum Select World Elite MasterCard. This is the flagship mid-tier card designed for travelers who want solid benefits without a hefty annual fee. It's aimed at those who fly American Airlines a few times a year and want perks like free checked bags, priority boarding, and solid mileage earning potential. Number 2. Citi AAdvantage Executive World Elite MasterCard. This one's for the frequent flyers. It's a premium card that comes with Admirals Club access and is ideal for business travelers or anyone who's constantly on the go. Yes, the annual fee is higher, but it's packed with perks that could easily justify the cost if you fly often. Number 3. Citi AAdvantage MileUp MasterCard. If you're looking for a no annual fee option, the MileUp card is the most basic of the three. It's perfect for casual American flyers or those just starting out in the travel rewards game. You still earn miles on purchases and even get bonus miles on groceries and American airline purchases, but you won't find premium perks like lounge access here. Number 4. Citi AAdvantage Business World Elite MasterCard. It is tailored for small business owners and entrepreneurs, and this card offers robust earning potential on business-related expenses. It provides benefits like free checked bags, preferred boarding, and the opportunity to earn a companion certificate after meeting annual spending thresholds. It's an excellent choice for businesses that frequently fly with American Airlines. So depending on your travel habits, whether you fly occasionally, frequently or constantly, or you manage business travel, Citi offers an AAdvantage card that's tailored to your needs. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the cards. First, the Platinum Select card. There's a bonus mile offer where you can earn 50,000 AAdvantage miles after spending $2,500 in the first 3 months. The earning potential is 2 times miles on American Airlines purchases at gas stations and restaurants. There are perks involving free first checked bag, Group 5 priority boarding, and 25% in-flight savings. Mile redemption program that can be used for flights, upgrades, car rentals, hotels, and more. And there's a mileage boost where you earn loyalty points toward elite status with every dollar you spend. Now the executive card. There's a bonus mile offer where you earn 70,000 American Airlines AAdvantage bonus miles after spending $7,000 in the first 3 months. The earning potential is 4 times on American Airlines purchases. There's an Admirals Club membership offer where you get access to over 50 lounges worldwide, and this is perfect for frequent travelers. The travel perks include global entry, TSA pre-check credits, priority check-in, security screening, and boarding. And for authorized users, you can add users for free, and they also get Admirals Club access. Now the MileUp card. There's a bonus mile offer where you earn 15,000 American Airlines AAdvantage bonus miles and a $50 statement credit after spending $500 in the first 3 months. The earning potential is 2 times at grocery stores and American Airline purchases. The redemption is same access to AAdvantage rewards. And of course, the great one is that there is no annual fee associated with this card. It is great for starters or those who want just to slowly earn rewards. Lastly, the Business World Elite MasterCard. There's a bonus miles offer where you earn 75,000 American Airlines AAdvantage bonus miles after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. The earning potential is also 2 times on American Airline purchases, telecommunications, cable and satellite providers, car rentals, and gas stations, and 1 times on every other purchases. The perks include free first checked bag for you and up to 4 companions. There's preferred boarding, 25% on in-flight Wi-Fi, food, and beverages. There's also a companion certificate where you earn a domestic travel companion certificate after spending $30,000 in a card membership year and renewing the card. There are also employee cards bonuses. You can add employee cards to earn more miles and loyalty points with individual spend limits. Now let us talk about the pricing of these cards. First, the Platinum Select. You get $0 introductory annual fee for the first year, and then you pay $99 annually. The Executive Card, the annual fee is $595. This is a premium card, so the cost is high, but it brings premium value. The MileUp card also has no annual fee, which is rare for a travel-focused card. And the Business World Elite MasterCard has a $99 annual fee, but you usually get a $0 introductory annual fee for the first year. The APR for all the 4 cards typically ranges from about 20.99% to 29.99%. It depends on your creditworthiness. Like most travel cards, these are best suited for people who pay their balances in full every month. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using this Citi AAdvantage cards. First, the pros. You earn generous bonus miles offers across all 4 cards. There are free checked bags and priority boarding, saving time and money for travelers. There's Admirals Club access with Executive Card, which is huge for frequent flyers. The mileage earning categories are also well targeted: gas, groceries, restaurants, flights, and business expenses. No foreign transaction fees on any of the cards. And Business Card offers employee cards with individual spend limits and additional miles earning. How about the cons of using these cards? High annual fee on the Executive Card may not be worth it unless you travel frequently. Miles expire after 24 months of inactivity unless you have qualifying activity. And the APR is often on the high end, so carrying a balance gets expensive. Which card is the right one for you? Well, it depends on you. It depends on if you fly American Airlines a few times a year, if you are a frequent flyer or a business traveler, if you are a small business owner or an entrepreneur, or if you're just dipping your toes into airline rewards. There's a card for everyone. That's it on the review of the Citi AAdvantage cards. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore other Chase cards including Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture Rewards, and Delta Sky Miles. Please like and share if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.